Hey guys, welcome back with another Triple T, and today I'm gonna be telling you guys the three simple ways where you can create your own space on Quora. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, the first way that you can create your own space on Quora is by going to your profile, and then in the spaces section you can click the add mark. So then it will pop up a light box where you can add the name of your space. Let me add the suggestions name, and then the description of the space, blah blah blah. And then the second way that you can create your own space on Quora is by going to your homepage, Quora homepage, and then in the left hand corner there's a button called create space. That's obvious, so you can click there, and then as you all know, the name of my space is test, and then description blah blah blah. So guys, the third and the final way you can create your own space on Quora is by going to your profile page, again to your profile page, and then go to the spaces section right here with three people on it. The icon is three people, and then see all spaces. After that, click on that, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can create space or else discover page. So in here we only need to create a space, so click here and then test actually test 3, and the name of the text, and then the description blah 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 3. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed it, drop a thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. More content coming soon, so click that bell icon. You won't miss any of my videos. So see you in the next video.
She steady dripping Sailor on. She got the perfect face, thumbing through the deck of 52, and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like that.